Wow, so we have someone here with very long hair. She does have some bangs in front. She places her hair in some ponytails, braids it up. And then cuts off her hair. Wow. And you have to think too, she's probably been growing this hair a long time. She looks so good with short hair though. Wow, so pretty. She looks phenomenal. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone, the hair was placed in ponytails once again, and the stylist does the cutting into this gorgeous pixie haircut. Very nice. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. So it looks like the stylist is going to be doing a pixie haircut for this hair change. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous shape and texture. Beautifully done. I love how this frames out her face. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with curly hair. Looks like she's getting a major cut as well. I really like her hair color. Wow. Beautiful bob haircut, and the color just accents it so well. I really like the amount of fullness that this has. Very nice, and look at that texture. Breathtaking change. Next up, we have someone with long blonde hair. Into a nice shoulder length bob. Rocking out the exposed root trend. And then here we have that same stylist back again, doing a bob haircut this time. Very nice shoulder length bob style. Wow, she's got some gorgeous hair. So the stylists do add some color for this transformation. Ooh, wow, gorgeous bob haircuts. And then next up we have someone else with curly hair. Oh, looks like she is getting it all chopped off. Getting the design on the side. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.